Hey guys, Emily Seagren here, and I am so excited to tell you about Avon's new partnership with Chi. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I can already feel and see the difference in my hair. And this line is exclusive to Avon, and it should be coming out around campaign 24. So expect to be able to purchase these products from us in just a couple months. So that would probably put us in September, October 2019 timeframe. I want to go over this, and I just got back from our national conference. About 6,000 Avon reps and their guests were there to see all of our new product launches coming up, learn and network with friends and team members. And then we can't forget all of the amazing free products that we always get from Avon when we go on these trips. And I can't forget about recognition, because that is one of the things that Avon does so well. So I've been an Avon rep for 11 years, love what I do, have taken sort of a non-traditional approach to the business. I'm a beauty blogger, and I love doing social media, search engine optimization. I'm kind of a tech geek, but I'm getting off topic here, and I want to stay focused on the Chi hair products. So you can see in the logo there that it is Avon Chi Essentials. So we have partnered to bring you these fantastic products. First, the smell. It's so light and fresh. I almost feel like it smells a little bit like lilac, and that's probably the hibiscus flower that is in there. So let me just read you the key benefits of the system here. The nutrient-rich blend of aloe vera, pomegranate, and hibiscus provide balanced care for the hair and scalp while helping to maintain nourishment and shine. So this is made of aloe, which is gonna help the frizz and the dryness. I know I need that. It is safe for color-treated hair. The pomegranate is full of antioxidants and stimulates the scalp and has pH balancing to help clarify hair. So that's gonna get rid of any sort of buildup that you get from products. And then the hibiscus is rich in vitamins and amino acids and increases elasticity to encourage fuller, thicker hair. Now, I don't need much more thickness, but I do always love some volume. So these products are going to be so amazing. The shampoo is 90% natural. Conditioner, 92% natural, and then the thermal protecting spray is also 90% natural. So as you can see, Avon is going towards coming out with cleaner products, being environmentally aware and friendly. And let's take a look at each product individually first. Okay, so we have the Replenishing Shampoo. A gentle daily shampoo won't strip hair of natural oils and is safe for color-treated hair. The nutrient-rich blend provides balanced care for the hair and scalp while helping to nourish and maintain shine. The directions are to apply onto wet hair, lather and massage into hair and scalp, rinse, follow with the conditioner. So let's take a look at our conditioner here, our moisturizing conditioner. Lightweight daily conditioner provides rich moisture to hair and scalp, strengthens the hair from roots to ends, increasing hair's elasticity, and helps to reduce split ends and frizz. The nutrient-rich blend provides balanced care while helping to nourish and maintain shine. So we all want those beautiful, shiny locks, and this line is going to help you get them. Repairing Serum. So this is, that's the opening right there. So with this stuff, a little bit's gonna go a long way. So I just squeezed about a dime size into my hands. And I usually start from the top and work my way down through the ends. I just love the smell. If you guys like lilac, I think maybe you'll think it smells like that too. So you can see the shine. Love it. I have pretty frizzy hair, so this is looking really good. Okay, so let me talk about it. Deeply penetrating yet lightweight serum helps to strengthen, protect, moisturize, and smooth hair, create a shiny, frizz-free look with this restorative formula. So that's the wrong bottle. Let me read you the instructions for the serum. Dispense desired amount onto palms and apply from mid-hair shaft to ends of dry or damp hair. Okay, well that says to go in the middle. So you might want to listen to those, but I get like the flyaway frizzies, and so that's why I like to start at the top. But everyone's beauty routine is different, so do what works for you. And then last but not least, our thermal protecting spray. So this is infused with essential nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. This styling spray helps provide superior protection from thermal heat and environmental damage, locks in moisture, and seals the cuticle for shiny, frizz-free hair. Awesomeness. So this says spray evenly onto towel-dried hair, comb to distribute and style as desired. So that is it, you guys. So exciting. Here is the whole little travel set. I'm not sure on price point yet, so stay up to date for more information. Make sure you like and subscribe, and get excited for Avon partnering with Chi. And if you want more information about me or Avon, you can go to makeupmarketers.com. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.